focus. It's narrowed the narratives, it's narrowed the genre down. There was a time when you'd have a tour with Public Enemy, Ice Cube, NWA, and Digital Underground. If any of these names sound familiar, just say hell yeah. Okay, so you got the Humpty Hump, you got Shock G with a big nose on doing some comedy, Public Enemy's Black Militant, Ice Cube and NWA will probably shoot you. You know, so you had gangster, you had political, you had just entertainment. And all of this music was actually going on at the same time. It was getting the same type of play. You had radio stations like 98.7, 107.5, so you would hear a whole range of hip hop. So the opportunity for an artist to be original and be themselves was there. But sometime around 94, 95, the industry began to change. And what we've seen is a narrowing of what the mainstream will present. So now you had to be a little rougher, your watch a little shinier, your car a little bigger, your woman's waist a little smaller, the jeans tighter or no jeans at all. And that has been kind of what the mainstream is focused on over the last 20, 25 years, with the peak of their sales happening in 2000. And then suddenly something began to happen and sales started to drop. Now, there's a lot of different reasons for it, and a lot of people also know that with digital technology, with the rise of places like Napster, and just the ability for individuals to essentially get music for free, people began to just say, well, I'm just gonna go take it. I'm just gonna go pick it up and take it off the internet. I'll be on a blog somewhere and I'll just take it. But I really think if you look deeper, because there are still artists that continue to sell records independently in the numbers of the hundreds and 200,000s with no distribution deal, with no major radio play, with no media or label support, and still continue to sell hundreds of thousands of records worldwide. People like, let's see, Moral Technique, Lupe Fiasco, even some of the older, what we consider older, but you know, golden era artists are continuing to tour. We were talking about Wu-Tang before. I think maybe part of the reason why some of these sales have been declining is because individuals got tired of hearing the same thing for 20 years. If you've heard the story once, and it was an okay story the first time you heard it, or you got it the first time, do you really want to hear it for 20 some odd years? I think what the decline in sales shows is that people are kind of sort of getting tired a little bit